Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make almond cherry slices. First, you cream the butter. You put softened butter in a bowl and beat it until it becomes soft and slightly pale. Then you add sugar and beat until the sugar is mixed well. Next, you add eggs, one at a time. You add first egg and beat well. Second egg and beat well again. It is easier to add eggs one at a time like this. Then third egg and beat well again. The batter may curdle, but will be okay when the dry ingredients are added. Scrape the side of the bowl to mix evenly. Next, you add finely grated lemon zest. This will give the slices refreshing flavour. And almond meal to give the slices nice moist texture. And mix well. You sift the self-raising flour into the bowl. Mix well using cutting motion like this. When all the flour is incorporated, the batter is done. You pour the batter in lined tray and spread evenly. Please make sure all four corners have the same thickness of the batter. I'm using the flat end of my dough scraper to make sure the batter is spread nicely. Now you place pitted Morello cherries evenly. Please drain the cherries well before you use. Bake the slice in preheated oven at 180 degrees or 170 fan forced for 40 minutes or so until it is lightly golden. Once it's baked and cooled, you can cut into small pieces. I usually cut in rectangles with 2 cherries per piece, but any shape and size you like will do. Dusting of icing sugar is very pretty on the slices. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.